All right, we're going to do a little experiment using some liquids to make a lava lamp. Okay, we're going to use some really simple ingredients. Just a clear glass jar, a bit of water. Fill that jar about a quarter of the way up. We're going to top the rest up with just some oil. We'll let that oil separate for a bit. Little science there, oil is lighter than water, so the oil is going to float to the top, water is going to stay on the bottom, and that's why you've got this clear liquid down here and the yellowy liquid up there. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a few drops of food coloring. And our last ingredient, we're just going to add some Alka-Seltzer tablets. Usually come in packs of 2. I'm going to open a couple of packets. They just come as a couple of round tablets here, so I'm going to break them up. And I'm just going to add my little bits and pieces of Alka-Seltzer straight into the mixture, and we'll see what happens. But let's bring the camera in a little closer. And there we go. We've got a lava lamp.